Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
You cannot expect a modern labor economist to have an adequate perspective on something as complicated as the history of work. So who might have that perspective?
Work has always in some ways defined what people do, certainly since the agricultural revolution.
That is James Sussman. He is an anthropologist who spent time in academia and now writes books. He also once held a very unlikely corporate job, which we'll hear about later, England, a farmhouse in France, and the Kalahari Desert in southern Africa, where he's been doing field work for years.
Against the law. Hello? What the hell is wrong with you? You almost hit me.
Asshole!
After this Camaro, nah, still got the... Oh shit! Hey, I'm gonna pull over. I'm gonna pull over. Hold on. Yo, I got that on the dash.
Pay stubs for people ready. Well, I can go on my phone pull up my last pay stub and see what the year to date. Oh Lord, they just had a wreck. Oh my God. Oh my Jesus.
Idiot. Dude, what are you doing, man? Seriously, bro, what the f is wrong with you? No! You okay? Hey, yeah. Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.